As businesses grow, their invoicing needs become more complex. Invoicing software scales with the business, accommodating increased transaction volumes, additional clients, and evolving invoicing requirements without compromising efficiency or accuracy. Even professional-looking invoices reflect positively on a business's image and credibility. In this video, we're sharing the top 10 invoicing software for small businesses. Number 1. PayPal Invoicing. PayPal Invoicing is a straightforward invoicing solution for businesses leveraging PayPal for payments. With PayPal Invoicing, you can create invoices, track payments, and manage customer information seamlessly within the PayPal ecosystem. Number 2. Freshbooks. Freshbooks is a popular choice among freelancers and small businesses for its intuitive interface and robust features. It offers easy invoice creation, expense tracking, time tracking, and client management capabilities. Number 3. Zoho Invoice. Zoho Invoice is part of the Zoho suite of business applications and offers user-friendly invoicing solutions. It provides features like recurring invoices, time tracking, and online payment options, helping small businesses manage their invoicing efficiently. Number 4. Harvest. Harvest is a time tracking and invoicing software designed for small businesses and freelancers. It offers features like project-based invoicing, expense tracking, and online payments, helping users streamline their billing process. Number 5. SquareUp Invoices. SquareUp Invoices is a simple yet effective invoicing solution for small businesses. It allows users to create and send invoices, accept online payments, and track invoice status in real time, all within the Square ecosystem. Number 6. InvoicetoGo. InvoicetoGo is a mobile invoicing app that caters to small businesses on the go. It offers customizable invoice templates, time tracking, expense management, and payment processing features, all accessible from mobile devices. Number 7. Bill.com. Bill.com offers invoicing and accounts payable solutions for small businesses. It streamlines the invoicing process with features like automated invoice creation, approval workflows, and seamless integration with accounting software. Number 8. Honeybook. Honeybook is designed for creative professionals and small businesses in service-based industries. It provides tools for creating professional invoices, managing contracts, and accepting online payments, all in one platform. Number 9. Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Sage Business Cloud Accounting offers invoicing solutions as part of its comprehensive accounting software. It provides customizable invoice templates, automated payment reminders, and real-time invoice tracking features. And number 10. FreeAgent. FreeAgent is a cloud-based accounting software designed for freelancers and small businesses. It offers invoicing, expense tracking, project management, and tax preparation features all in one integrated platform. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.